Basically, this tractor didn't have a lot of aches and pains, but it had been neglected somewhat. The normal procedure, what I did was fix the clutch and be sure the oil leaks stopped and all that good stuff. And it's been a pretty decent little tractor since we got that all done. And no major problem with it. Of course, we haven't worked it either. We just run up and down the road with it, so tractor drives and whatever. So one of my grandsons, he thought this would be a nice tractor for him. And I said, well, that's fine. You can drive it. And when we're done, well, you can have it. Well, he drove it 2 or 3 times, and that was it. He hadn't driven it since. So maybe he's just waiting. I don't know. This one was smaller than a 35. This tractor was built before the 35 came out. This was the biggest tractor they had. Then the 35 came out. The TO20, the TE20, then it's the TO30, and this is the 30. So this was gave a head start for all the rest of the tractors we got. So it spends most of its time right here. We get it out and play with it, but we don't pull any wagon with it, nothing like that. And matter of fact, we have, this one doesn't have a hitch on the back of it, all 3 points yet. So I haven't pulled anything with it yet. So. But I did drive it on tractor drive one year, and it worked great. Oh my, that's improvement. It works good. Pretty power steering, and but everything is more like a go-kart, you know, when you're sitting there. But that's just a nice little road tractor. Yeah, they used to come with cranks on them. That's why that hole was there before. These never did have a place on the tractor to store it, but like the 44 Massey, it's got a place in the frame there for a crank.
Have you ever cranked this one up, or?
No, I never did. The battery's always been up. We charge the battery. This tractor is unique for its starting advantages. It's the first tractor that I know of a model tractor that had safety start on the starter, because you cannot start it in gear because the gear shift lever is used to engage the starter. Then you come back and you're ready to go in gear.
When was this the first tractor they implemented that on, or was that?
The Ferguson, that's what, all Fergusons had that, like the TO20 and the TE20.
They all had that?
Did that, you know, that's.
When did they stop doing that?
This year.
That was the last one?
Yep. Yep. Then the 35, you have 2-speed, then you have to put the high-low range in neutral. Yeah, this was it.